Hans. Good morning and
Hello po.
congratulations. Please turn on your camera.
Hello.
Hi,
Thank you
congratulations.
po.
We're so happy for you, but we're still waiting for Coach Miguel, okay? So, if he doesn't come in at 10, we'll proceed with the coaching. Hintay lang natin si Coach Miguel saglit. Okay? Okay, so Coach Miguel is already with us. Hi, Coach Miguel. Thank you for joining us in making it. Coach Miguel, I love that color. It's pink. Anyway, um, we will now show the video, the performance video of Hans for the semifinals. Ron, please play the video.
Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama ka, sinta. Sa mundo'y nagunaw na, hanggang doon mawawakas pag-ibig kong sadyang wagas. Ngayon at kailanman, sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ngayon at kailanman.
All right. Very good. Thank you for akala mo live no? But that was Hans' performance video for the semifinals. So to reintroduce Hans is from Virac Catanduanes, and she garnered 1,014 votes in our semifinals. So we will now proceed with our coaching. We will start off with Coach Ian. Oh, the last time, I don't think Coach Ian was present when you did your coaching, and he just did a video. But this time around, you can hear from him already. Okay, Coach Ian, go ahead. Coach Ian, we cannot hear you. Oh, can we try again, Coach Ian? But you're not on mute. Okay, let's. There you go.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe the earphones
Okay.
pa. Okay na po.
Okay. Good morning. First of all, congratulations with your performance. And from my perspective, you sounded like a pro already, actually. You sounded like a pro already. So, nandun yung maturity when it comes to singing. The choice of when to hit and when to be stable. But ayun, siguro ang take ko lang is not more of the singing but how you did the video. Kung next time if you're gonna do the video, might as well be stable in a sense na isang take lang kasi for me yun ang ano ko lang it kind of looked like a vlog kasi parang na nag-iiba-iba yung angle so nawawala yung attention ko dun sa sa pagkanta mo. But more than anything, the singing was really good for me. Ayun, congratulations. That's all.
Thank you po.
Okay, so on a different note naman yung ang coaching ni Coach Ian because as he said, baka ng professional, no? But yun na nga. So, syempre, since this is an online show, it is important, no, that your video will also attract the voters, right? So, how you take your shots, it will also help your performance. Parang overall impact kasama rin yan siguro, no? So, thank you for that, Coach Ian. We will now proceed with Coach Jason. Coach Jason?
Hi, good morning. Congratulations, no? I remember first, yung una kita napanood is very, very chill and yan naman parang tagos sa puso. I don't know ba't ako parang is it the weather? Kasi medyo, medyo makulimlim ang panahon dito. Pero parang na nadadala ako dun sa song mo. Every time naman kahit nung una, no? Yung emotional range o yung emotional interpretation mo is nakukuha talaga ako doon. Tapos yung delivery mo na mas gusto ko siya. At saka yung how you convey the message of the song. Uh, uh, very very effective for me. Tama si Coach Yan lang siguro dun sa ano. Kaya ang ginawa ko pumipikit-pikit ako para magpa-focus ako dun sa boses mo. Pero in general napakaganda, napakagaling. Uh, I can't wait kung saan ka dadalhin ng talent mo yan. Kasi sigurado ako may pupuntahan at pupuntahan ka. Again, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Wonderful. Oh, what wonderful words from Coach Jason Hansa. Grabe, ang galing. And so there, almost the same as Coach Ian. Parang lilinis na lang natin your performance, no? So with your interpretation of the song, how you conveyed the message, napabilib mo na si Coach Jason. So basically, ang nakikita na lang niya na tweaks is how you take the video of the video of yourself singing the song. Okay, we will now proceed with Coach June Tuason. Coach June?
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes po.
Okay. Hi, Han. First question. Kasi I always watch you, all of you, as if it's my first time to hear you. Para fresh sa akin yung pag-judge o pag make a critique sa ginawa mo. What was your last song? The last time, ano yung kinanta mo?
Fly Me to the Moon po.
Okay. So tama yung ano ko nilagay ko dito. Yeah, it's not a question whether you can sing or not. It's not a question whether you're a fabulous singer or not, because you can sing. There are 2 or 3 things na I want you to think. It was beautiful, but it was just safe. safe siya. Walang, I was looking for something else. Yeah. Nagbibirit ka, nag-high notes ka, pero parang safe na safe kasi place na placed yung mga pag-hit mo ng mga high notes, naka-place siya. Nawawala yung parang gusto ko yun na para siyang nagsusor yung boses mo. I'm looking for that because you have a pretty voice. Alam ko na yun, pero I'm looking for something else. So, I think do something kung paano mo na tumataas yung energy. Not birit. Birit doesn't mean energy. It's birit. Pero I think yung story, yung inner monologue na nangyari, na talagang parang acting, tumataas hanggang sa climax. Yun ang na hinihintay ko sa'yo. So, work on that. Number 2, tama si Coach Ian and Coach Jason, marami kang kinat para dinikit mo para maganda ang tingin. I think it's better if you start it and end it in one shot. That's good. Kasi, again, you want to be safe. So, kinat mo at dinikit-dikit. Mas maigi para, sometimes flaws are good or mga imperfections are good. So, halata kasi na inedit mo siya. Tapos, hindi pa seamless yung pag-edit. So, pag magre-record ka maybe magsasubmit ka ng mga audition material or self-tape, wag mong i-edit. Dapat from beginning to end, isang shot lang siya. Yeah? Lalo na pag kailangan mo mag-submit. I inedit. Siyempre, pag nag-edit ka, kinuha mo yung the best shots. Tapos dinikit-dikit mo. Hindi dapat. Dapat from beginning to end. I think that's basically it. So, if there's one thing that I want you to remember sa sinabi ko is, dapat hindi ka masyado safe sa ginagawa mo. Dapat may risk ka na. Pero dapat aral din na hindi ka magpipiyok, you're not gonna be all over the place. Pero think of something na aangat yung boses mo hanggang sa huli, magwa-want pa kami. What else? What else? What else? What else hanggang sa matapos mo yung kanta. Wag yung eto, safe. Pretty, pero safe. Walang something. Paano yung mga iba mo talagang tumatumbling na o kung ano-ano ginagawa? Talo ka. Ikaw kasi safe ka lang. You get my point? Yeah. So work on that.
Yes po. I will do that po in my next performance.
All right.
Thank
Thank you so much, Coach June. So, ayan. Kailangan mo na mag-take ng risk this time, Hans. Kailangan ipakita mo na yung pasabog mo. So, soaring until you climax. Parang ganyan. Para naman, yun na nga. It will be the best of you, no? Okay, so now we will move on to our head coach, Coach Miguel. Please go ahead with your coaching. You're on mute, Miguel. I'm sorry. Excuse me. You're on mute.
Hello, Hans.
There
I
you-
miss Virac. Send me some pili nut. Anyway, Hans, I'm so happy that you made it up to this time. So proud of you, always, as always. And vocally, you have a booming voice and bags of character in your tone. Iyon lang sinasabi na ni Coach Ian, ni Coach Jason, and Coach June, ang dapat mong gawin at tama yon. You have to work on that. Kasi andyan na eh. Andyan na. You just do something like on the edge. Na that you go far beyond what you're doing now. Okay? Wala na ko ibang masabi talaga. You have a beautiful voice and you own the song. Your riffs were clear and your high notes are it's there. You know, you have the range. But yung tama yung sabi ni June, go beyond what you're doing now. Okay? And so proud of you and congratulations and looking forward, make it, get the 100,000, okay? And then send me some pili nuts.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Ay,
much
Okay,
po.
thank you, my dear. Okay,
thank you
bye-bye.
so
Yes, okay.
much,
I like
Miguel.
that. Get the 100,000.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Coach Miguel. And so,
Okay.
Hans, there. Do you have any question for our coaches?
Sa music po, 3 minutes ulit po. Yung
Para sa akin pala yung tanong. Kala ko para sa coach. Pero yes.
yes.
Oo, that's our mechanics naman kasi. So 3 minutes lang tayo, but you know, you choose na lang a part of the song, if it's really more than 3 minutes. Or I'll check with the kasi the other contestants are also asking. Maybe I can check with DTI if I can make it into 5 minutes. Go ahead, Coach June.
I think I think I see the dilemma here. Ganito na lang, may suggestion ako, Miss Mama Yumi, na maybe they record the whole song
Mhm.
and just give them from yung minutes kung alin yung gusto mo nilang panoorin. Kasi nga, now I see kung bakit mo kinat-cut. Kasi mahaba siguro yung may mga, I think I used the same karaoke sa YouTube na inulit yung di ba mahaba siya. Mag 4 minutes yan, di ba? Kaya kinat niya. So I'm sorry kung na-judge kita ng mali. Kinat mo pala kasi nga may limit. So I think, Mama
Yes, po.
Yumi, I think what we should do is let them record the whole song at magsasabi sila, please start playing from 1.002 till 2.3 point something something.
All
Now I
right.
see kung bakit
Mm-mm.
ganun ang nangyari.
Okay, thanks, Coach June. And yes, as I mentioned earlier, we'll consider already, no, kasi most of our the others really submitted more than 3 minutes, but we just got it naman. So, but yun na nga, syempre it will be the editor's cut basically, right? That's why we tell them na if you want your own cut, you need to limit it to 3 minutes. So we won't need to cut it. Para kasi kayo yung mag-choose kung ano yung papakita nyo, right? But this time, since it's the grand finals, we'll give a 5 minutes na lang na time period for everyone. I think this will not be really this won't be a problem na. So kasi there are only 5 and actually, our voting period is only from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. on September 29. So that's what I need to remind you. Gather all your family and friends, all your followers, all your fans on September 29. And tell them to vote for you from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. But of course, the program, will be from 6:30 to 8 p.m. So you'll be you will join via Zoom. Our coaches will be with us also. The other grand finalists will be with us in the Zoom, and then we'll do one whole show for the grand finals on Zoom. And we will broadcast this live in our website, in Facebook, and in YouTube. All right? Okay. All right. So thank you so much, Hans, for joining us for your coaching session. We will now proceed with our next grand finalist and keep on sharing our promotional videos on you and keep promoting yourself in the 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. voting period on September 29. All right?
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming
Okay.
salamat din, Hans. Bye. All right. So, Ron, you may now admit Jonar. Our next contestant, grand finalist is Jonar, our beatboxer.
Hi po.
There. Hi, Jonar. Can you turn on your camera and unmute?
Yes po, yes.
Thank you.
There we go.
There. Okay, Jonar, ano tayo? Let's be
Yung
steady
ganun.
on. Yeah,
Yes.
para naman Oo. Okay. Thank you so much, Jonar, for joining us for your coaching session. we have with us are our coaches. And the last time, hindi ko na sila pakikilala because I already introduced them to you before, no?
Yes po.
The last time Coach Ian was not able to join us, but today he is here with us, giving you your final coaching. Coach Ian, please go ahead. I'm sorry, we have to see the video first. Sorry
Yeah.
for that. Ron, please play Jonar's video.
Are you ready? Are you listening to human beatboxer? You are listening to human beatboxer. You are listening to human beatboxer. You are listening to human beatboxer. I get the bass like this. Please move your body, get on the floor. 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 Please move your body. Drop the bass.
Sabog din, no? Thank that was Jonar's performance video for the semifinals. So to reintroduce our grand finalist, he is Jonar Makiling. He is from Davao City, and he garnered 729 votes in our semifinals. So we'll now proceed with Coach Ian's advice. Coach Ian?
Hello, good morning, Jonar.
Good morning, Sir Ian.
First of all, congratulations. Isa ka sa mga nakapasok sa finals. And I would commend you on your talent. Bibihira yung ganyang talent. Siguro I just have a couple of pointers. More than corrections, it's more pointers to help you put more layers on your beatboxing. Siguro first of all, yung ascension yung pag-ascend ng mo siguro ng beatbox mo. Medyo I just found it ascending, then all of it. May layers kasi yan naiintindihan ko yung kailangan mong kunin yung vibe tsaka yung feel ng mga tao. Kaya umaakyat bumababa. Siguro lang mas maglagyan mo ng konting napapansin ko kasi maraming snare yung sound mo, maraming snare. Oo. Lamang yung snare and lamang yung common beat. I just would want to siguro hear more of, lagyan mo pa ng konting layers ng synthesizer. Yun.
Okay.
Layers ng konting synthesizer and sorry. I was about to say something na wala. Your natural voice when you punch the mas clear siguro yung pag-enunciate ng words. Kasi it kind of sounded like parang for me, it kind of sounded like parang nag-uusap lang tayo more than it's part of the song. So mas i-punch mo siguro yung words ng mga sinasabi mo on your natural voice or mas kapalan mo pa. But other than
Okay.
that, ganda, ang galing. Lalo na yung last stretch ng ano mo, ang dami ko narinig na layers ng sound na it's really impressive kung paano mo nagagawa.
Yeah.
Other than that, really, really good. Congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Ian.
Oh,
Coach Ian.
thank you. Thank you so much, Coach Ian, for that. Ang hirap i-summarize yung sinabi ni Coach Ian. So, iiwan ko na lang ito para sa'yo. Kasi hindi ko na masyado naintindihan. Pero nagalingan ako dun sa performance. But yun, nasulat ko lang synthesizer, enunciation.
Yeah.
So,
Enunciation.
dagdag para madagdagan ang iyong layers of beatboxing.
Pwede,
So,
pwede.
yeah, we will now proceed with Coach Jason Pabalan. Coach Jason, please.
Good morning, Jonah. Congratulations.
Good morning, Coach.
Ang ganda nung, I don't know, paano mo namimix yung mga iba-ibang sounds na yun. For me, it's seamless yung parang transition niya kung paano mo yung sabi nga ni Coach, iyan yung layering, no? Ang ano ko lang sana, kasi since grand finals so, sabi ko before, paano mo matatap yung performance mo. Ngayon, I challenge you to think of something that mas creative, no? Kung paano ka pa mas magiging, mas kasi grand finals niya eh. Paano, yung, itaw na yung wow factor, paano pa kami mapapa-wow? Yun ang magiging challenge ko sa'yo. But yung talent mo, kakaiba kasi ako, pinipilit ko yan nung bata-bata ako, pero hindi talaga eh.
Hindi kaya.
Kasi may friend ako na mag-rinig eh. So, nagtatry din ako pero hindi talaga kaya. So, again, congratulations. Yun na lang yung challenge ko. Sana, mapawaw mo pa sila. Mapawaw mo pa kami lahat. No? Again, congratulations.
Thank you po, Coach Jason. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Coach Jason, for that. So, yes, more wow factor. Na wow na kami, but more think creative, think outside the box. Yan na lang.
Yes.
Ano, di ba? We will now proceed to our next coach, Coach June Tuason. Coach June?
Hi, maayong buntag, Jonah.
Mayong buntag, Coach June.
Okay, kabalo ko gagmay Bisaya. Anyway, I am not a beatboxer. So hindi kita iko-correct kung paano mag-beatbox. But I know how to appreciate performance art. Kumanta ka, so yun ang aking i-judge. Okay? Kasi wala akong masasabi sa beatbox mo. Magiging pretentious ako kung ang alam ko lang, may narinig akong ibang variations, exciting. Tapos I appreciate that you did something to make it visually interesting. Yan yung mga pa-effect mo sa mata mo, on ano. So thank you for doing that. Yeah.
Yes. Wala kasi akong nakitang dancer.
It's okay. I felt the effort, the mere fact na nasunod ka, magandang attitude dyan sa isang artist. You know how to listen, yeah?
Yes po.
Hindi ka diva. So that's good. And I appreciate that. Continue doing that. Eto naman, nung kumanta ka, hindi ko na isi-sugarcoat para mag-improve ka next time, ha? Hindi ako mag-sugarcoat, ha? That's the reason why we're here. Wala na mga sugarcoating. So when you're singing, and especially if you're singing in English, para maging social yung sound mo, improve your the way you enunciate the words, saka yung paano mo siya kinakanta yung English. You're Filipino, you sound Filipino, But yung art mo, hindi naman, humanap ka ng pangit. Sa Tagalog yon. Hindi ka naman pwede humanap ka ng pangit. Hindi maganda kasi pasyala. So if you're singing in English, try to makinig ka ng kung how to enunciate, how to sing it in English. I think yours is too open. Kantahin mo nga yung kinakanta mo para at least ma-show ko sa'yo. Kantahin mo nga yung one part.
Saan doon?
Yung kahit alin doon, kumanta ka doon kahit alin doon.
Parang,
Hindi, kanta. Yung words, yung may
please
words.
move your body, get on the floor.
Yeah.
Please move your body.
Ayan. I-improve mo siya ng konti para siya lang dating. Improve your body, tap on the floor. So very Filipino. Maybe if forward mo, pakinggan mo si Michael Jackson, put on your body, get on the floor. Medyo maliit lang siya. Huwag mong lakihan. Masyado siyang malaking-malaki. Ha?
Yes.
Nagiging sound.
Yeah.
You're Filipino and pero para maging, wala na akong masasabi kasi sa ginawa mo. Yun lang nakita ko. Okay. All right. So maybe that one part pwede kong ma-improve mo. Na pag kumakanta ka ng English, sound kung ano yung language na hinihiram mo. Yeah?
Yes.
I think basically yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Other than that, thank you for all the efforts. Yan, natuwa ako na humble ka na artist, and that I hope you will succeed in yours. Saka yung mga kaibigan mo, kasi ang mananalo dito, hindi lang sa magaling kundi marami kang pinalang mga taong magbo-vote sa iyo, ha?
Sige po.
Congratulations. God bless you.
God bless. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach June. So, sabi nga ni Coach June, mag-imbita ka ng family and friends on September 29, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. because that's our voting period. But as he said, to practice the way you speak so that when you sing it, it will sound depending on ano yung language na gamit mo. So if it's Filipino, it will sound Filipino. If it's English, it will sound either American or English. Depende sa ano yung gusto mo na gamitin for the song part of your beatboxing. Because you will record another performance video for the grand finals. Okay? Okay, so we will now proceed with Coach Miguel. Coach Miguel, go ahead.
Hello, Jonar.
Hi, Coach
Kumusta na?
Miguel. Okay ra
How's my buntag? Kumusta na akong birthplace? I miss Davao.
Okay kayo,
Nako,
peaceful kayo.
madalang durian. Okay, anyway, just like June, I appreciate listening to beatboxing, but nag-research ako ng beatboxing. Ang lumabas, mukha ni Manny Pacquiao. Binibit niya yung isang ano. So anyway, yes, thank you for your thank you for your hard work. Listening to you, I was like moving my hips. You know, just like moving my hips. You know, I want to do above fosse in that rhythm. You know, as dancers like Judge Ian, dancers, rhythm is written on their feet, and beatboxers, rhythm is written in your saan kaya? Mouth ba yan?
Yes, po.
Yes. Wala akong masabi talaga at nasabi na ni Coach June, Coach Ian, and Coach Jason lahat na dapat i-improve mo o dapat mong gawin. Tama sila. Diction, lalo na kumakanta ka, you know. Musicality, wala akong problema. Technicality, wala akong problema. Originality, wala akong problema. Performance, wonderful. So, congratulations. Hangtod sa makuha nimo ang 100,000 pesos.
Yes.
Padalhi kog dalan nga durian, ha? Oo.
Ibalot na ko.
Congratulations, Jonar.
Thank you so much, Coach Miguel.
Okay, good luck.
All right, thank you, Coach Miguel. So, Jonar, congratulations again. And sorry, my video is off. Congratulations again. And we heard the coaches. So basically, their advice is to add more layers, to enunciate your words, especially when you're singing, no?
Mm.
And to think outside the box. So there will be more wow factor, no, for your
Yes po.
next performance. So once again, congratulations,
Thank you
Jonah,
po. Thank you.
and thank you so much for joining Lodi Action Dapat. Okay, so you may now leave the call. We will move on to our
Thank
next
you,
and
coaches.
final.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so for our next contestant is Eloisa France, our Bakason. He is our actress. Okay. All right, Eloisa, is she in? I accepted it. Hi, Eloisa. Good morning. Kindly turn on your camera. There you go. And unmute. Okay. Congratulations, Eloisa, for making it to the grand finals. Yay. Okay. So I will not introduce the coaches anymore since we have you already know all of them, no? We will now proceed with presenting your performance video during the semifinals. Ron, please play the video.
I want to talk to you. Sit there. Now you listen to me because I'm only going to say this once and I probably shouldn't say it at all. There's nothing that you know about your father that I don't know. Nothing. And understand better. Okay? You make concessions when you're married for a long time that you don't believe you're gonna make when you're beginning, when you're young. You say, oh, I'll never tolerate this or that or the other thing. But time goes by, darling. And when you've slept 1,000 nights and when you've smelled like spit from the babies when they're sick, and when you've seen your body droop and get soft, and some nights you just think, oh God, I'm not going to put up with it with another minute. And you wake up the next morning and the kitchen smells like coffee. And the kids have their hair brushed up all by themselves. And you look at your husband and know he's not the person that you thought he was. But he's your life. And the kids and the house and everything is built around him. And that's your life. That's your history too. And if you take him out, it's like cutting his face out of all the pictures. It just makes a big hole and it ruins everything. You can be hard, Ellen. And you can be very judgmental. And with those two things, you would make a mess out of your life. You wouldn't believe. And I want to be able to tell you these things in 10 years. And when I think how most of the things that you've learned in life came from your dad, it hurts my heart a little to think how little I've gotten through.
No, Mom. Shh.
I don't want to talk about it. Speak. I want to talk. Let me talk. Oh, no, let me talk. Your dad won't let me talk because he says he'd upset myself. And you won't let me talk. Oh, Mom, please don't talk. Brian's the only one that lets me talk.
Okay.
He's never here. I want to talk before I die. I do. I want to say the things. I want to say the deep thoughts without you shushing me because what I say hurts you. Tired of being shushed.
What do you want to say?
I already said everything I want to say. Except I'm sad.
What?
I'm sad that I won't be able to plan your wedding. So, promise me you won't have a ring bearer or a flower girl because those kids always misbehave and they distract from the bride. And don't invite too many people. Well, you know, I might not even get married. Whatever. If I knew you would be happy right now, I would close my eyes now. I would. It's so much easier to be happy, my love. It's so much easier to choose to love the things that you have. And you have so much. Instead of always yearning for what you're missing. Or what it is you're imagining you're missing. It would be so much more peaceful.
Okay, so Okay, before we let you go, we will give you some reminders for our grand finals, no? Unless you have other questions, do you? Or we're good to continue? Okay. Sige. So just a few reminders. So we are now at the coaching stage. Our next stage is for you to conceptualize your next performance video and for you to record your next performance video. The submission of the new performance video is from September 21 to 23. So you have time. And as I mentioned earlier, we'll make it now 5 minutes. We'll write this all down in one email and send this to you so that you will not forget, no? And our grand finals is on September 29. So on September 29, I will ask you to be part of the Zoom for that live show. Okay, so all contestants, katulad now, but instead of one by one, we will all be in one Zoom room. So with the coaches and with all the grand finalists. We will show then also your performance video for grand finals. We are still deciding if we will let you act live. Yung mukha ni Eloisa para ano. Hindi, we won't. I'm just joking. No, but mahirap yata for you, no? Kasi it'll be easier for our singers kasi. So, come to think of it, to be fair for the rest of our grand finalists, we will do just the performance videos of everyone. Okay, so we have 3 videos to make for the grand finals. One is, of course, your performance video. Next is we will send you a list of questions that you will answer. We will use this to promote you. Okay, so like in the semifinals, we asked you some questions. You answered it as your introduction video, no? And lastly, we request that you send us your BTS, your behind the scenes, while you were shooting your performance video. So maybe pag may makeup ka or you're practicing your lines before you shoot, mga ganyan. So send us like a few minutes of BTS while doing your performance video. So as mentioned earlier, we will promote you in our social media. So we will use the videos that you submit, number 1. Number 2, we will post different promotional materials about you and the rest of the grand finalists. So please share this in your page. Let us promote you to your followers. And if you decide to post something, promote yourself, please tag us so that we will also be able to help promote your post for yourself. Also, we will write the information office of your LGU, and we will advise them, we will tell them that one of our grand finalists who can be the kauna-unahang Lodi is from their city. And hopefully, we will also give your contact details. We will copy you in that email, and hopefully this will open for you and your LGU to collaborate in promoting you to your city. All right. And so there, we will also, one last thing, we will show your performance video during the semifinals in our social media, and your schedule to be shown is on Friday. So daily, meron tayong ipapakita na i-highlight na grand finalists, and your post will be on Friday. So watch out for that and be ready to share to your friends, family and friends. So again, our voting period is from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. of September 29. So invite your family and friends to vote for you from 4:30 to 6:30 on September 29. That's a Sunday. So everyone is quite free because it's a Sunday. And then our show, our live show, will be from 6:30 to 8. All right? Okay, so we'll send all of these reminders in an email, and we'll also copy you in the email to the information office of your LGU. Thank you so much again, Eloisa, and congratulations for being one of our grand finalists. Coaches, any more last words before we end the call? This will end our coaching session. We already coached 5 of our grand finalists. So, any last words, coaches? Are we all good? Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining our coaching session today. And we will see you on September 29th for the live grand finals of Lodi Action Dapat. Bye.